Hello guys, this is your friend Rahul from techblogcorner.com, and today in this video I'm going to tell you how you can protect your Gmail account from hackers. So stay tuned with me till the end of this video. Let's get started without wasting the time. So what you have to do is you have to just click on your profile icon and then click on manage your Google account. Once you click on it, you will see this screen in front of you. Just see the left menu and click on security. Once you click on security, you will see this screen. Just scroll down a bit and you will see two-step verification option off. Just click on it. You will see this screen where you need to activate two-step verification option. It will add your extra layer of security and send you a unique verification code and also gets your password secured from hackers. So click on get started. You need to enter your password again and then click next. Now you have to enter your phone number so that you will get the OTP on your mobile number. It will totally depend on you whether you want to get the text message or you want to have the phone call to get the code. So I'm going to OK on the text message option. I will receive the OTP on my phone number. Let me enter it here. It's 358065. Then enter next. Bingo. It worked, and now you have to turn on two-step verification. Just click on turn on. Now you can see your account has been operated with two-step verification on. You can see turn off button. Besides that, if you want to turn it off, then follow the same steps. That's all guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Stay tuned with me in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.